How should so much water move? Do we have to move like this? Is it much easier to use 3D printed water moving tools like this?
Wow!
Let's use Goofoo 3D Print Plus today to print a water moving artifact. Let's start now. Plus industrial drag chain cable. 400 hot end unit is available for high temperature filament printing. Slicing software Cura Slick 3R Simplified 3D Goofoo Slicer. 5-inch full color touch screen. Resume printing function after power interruption. Flexible magnetic build mat. Full aluminum alloy construction. Industrial level linear guide. Printing materials PLA plus TPE ABS PACF TPU 95A PET GFP KSA. Print size 360*360*400 mm. Power input AC100240V tilde 600W. Printing complete.